closest to my heart. So I'm actually working as a doctor in Boris Dialysis Centers in Pampanga. So I really advocate for my patients. I advocate for better healthcare access and the fight against kidney disease. So I'm really excited to be here in the Miss Universe Philippines because I am really fighting for the voice of my patients, and I'm also fighting for the voice of my fellow healthcare professionals.
You've joined pageants na in Pampanga.
Yes, actually, this is actually not my first major national pageant. I actually joined Mochano Pilipinas 8 years ago. So I returned to the world of pageantry after 8 years. That was actually an unexpected decision because I already closed my door in the world of pageantry 8 years ago, but God really ways of, like giving you what He wants you to do. So I believe I am called for such time as this. So I'm really thankful to be here, and I will just do my best, and I hope to make my fellow Kapampangans proud with my industry.
Yes, of course, batiin mo naman yung mga kababayan natin sa Pampanga and of course our followers to support your journey. And then you can also mention your Instagram, your socials.
Hello everyone! I hope you continue to support me in my journey in the Miss Universe Philippines. You can follow me on Instagram. My username is Ranshi Marie, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone, and I really hope that you never cease to support us, to love us. We really need you. We really need your prayers and support. Thank you. I love you all.